Now, this is the third part of this video, and we'll be discussing about rest of the separating mixture. Next is distillation. So what is distillation? Distillation is the process of heating water to form water vapor and then cooling the hot vapor to get back liquid water. In short, you can say it is like evaporating and then condensing. This process is known as distillation, and this process is done under the distillation flask. Pure water from salt solution can be obtained by distillation method. So this is the distillation assembly. As you can see, this is the evaporating process and this is the condensing process, and here the distillate or the pure substance is obtained. Next, what is sublimation? We all know what is sublimation. When a substance changes from solid to gas without changing into liquid, the process is known as sublimation. What are the examples? Naphthalene balls, ammonium chloride, anthracene. These are the examples of sublimation process. What is centrifugation? Centrifugation is a method of separating finely suspended components in a liquid by spinning the mixture in a device called centrifuge. So does this instrument do? There is a machine or an instrument, you can see it is known as centrifuge. It rotates the mixture with a very high speed, and therefore due to mechanical rotation, what will happen? These insoluble or fine particles cannot be effectively separated by sedimentation and decantation. In that case, centrifugation is very useful method, and due to the mixture rotating rapidly, a force is acting on heavier suspended particles, and it bring down the at the bottom of the test tube. So this process is known as centrifugation. You can see the centrifugation machine. This is the paddle, and when the mixture is placed in this rotate with a very high speed. Therefore, the heavier particles settle down and the lighter particles floats away. So this is the centrifugation process. What is crystallization? As it is named itself, what is crystallization? The process of forming a crystal is known as crystallization. How it is done? It is also done by the impure solid substance is dissolved in a minimum amount of water. Solution is formed. Then the solution is filtered. After filtering, it is cooled down, and therefore after some time crystals are obtained. Now we are going to discuss one of the best method for liquid separation, that is the fractional distillation, and it is the most important method. So fractional distillation is the process of separating two or more miscible liquid. Miscible, what do you mean by miscible? Miscible means which are easily mixed. So fractional distillation is the process of separating two miscible liquid by distillation, and the distillate being collected in fractions boiling at different temperature. The separation of two liquids by fractional distillation depend on the difference in boiling point. So this is the principle of fractionating assembly or fractional process. In this, the two mixture or the two substance must have different boiling point. And what do we require? We require fractionating column. So what is this fractionating column? A simple fractionating column is a long vertical glass tube filled with glass bead. The glass beads provide a large surface area for hot vapor to cool and condense rapidly. In most simple terms, a fractionating column can be regarded as an arrangement for providing different temperature zone. So what is the role of fractionating column? It provides different temperature zones, which is very helpful in separation process. Suppose alcohol and water, The boiling point of alcohol is 78 and the water is 100. So alcohol will boil earlier and it will be separated from the water. As you can see the assembly here, this is the mixture. What will happen? Alcohol will evaporate earlier and condense here. So this is the fractional distillation. Now, what do you mean by separating funnel? A mixture of two immiscible liquid can be separated by using a separating funnel. So a separating funnel is a special type of funnel which is used to separate the mixtures. So this is the role of separating funnel. For example, oil and water can be separated. So the separation of two immiscible liquids can be done with the help of separating funnel. So what do we have studied in this chapter? Pure substances, mixture, homogeneous mixture, heterogeneous mixture, sediment, decantation process, filtrate, residue, fractionating column, separating funnel, and many more new things of separating. So I hope you all really enjoyed the video. Thank you.